Hey guys, what's up? This is Manny with Tropical Glitz, and today we're going to be doing a great project. It's really fun and it's a little different than our usual business. We're doing art resin pours. So people don't realize we manufacture tons of automotive grade pigments, but this can also be incorporated into all your art pours and your resin pours. So here we're going to be working with a couple different pigments. We're using our dry pigments, we're using our art pigments, we're using our RTSs that now come in a great 2-ounce RTS, and then this can be completely incorporated into any of your resins and tinted and give this beautiful color. I'm doing a great backsplash for my office, so stay tuned.
All right, so this is our 2-ounce RTS. What's great, this is our ready to spray paint, and this is really popular with our airbrush artists. But if you didn't know, we've already incorporated a particular resin into it, so this can be completely incorporated with the solvents right into your art resin pour. Saves you the headache of pigment mixing. This will dye it perfectly fine. So right now, this is our 2-ounce automotive grade pigment. This is what we find in the automotive industry. UV resistant, light fastness. You don't have to worry about it fading, and it's fantastic. So this is our 4-ounce art pigment. Now this is exactly what it is, art pigment. These are colors that you're never gonna find in the automotive industry. And you have 50 something plus grams of beautiful art pigment to mix into your resin. And here is our metal flakes, technically our glitter. Same thing, this is automotive grade glitter. It is UV resistant, light fast, will not bleed, not bleach into your resin, and the sparkle is amazing, and it's so thin. So here we're mixing our resin. So this is going to be a 1-to-1 resin. This is a resin that we like to personally use. We're not sponsored by this company at all, but the results are fantastic. I believe this is called art resin, and you can purchase this online on Amazon. I'm pretty sure there's a lot of different avenues. So we're going to have to make sure that we properly mix this till we have a nice cloudy consistency, and that's, you know, that the activator is properly mixed with the resin. We're going to pour them out into 3 separate containers. And in these separate containers, we're going to mix each of our colors individually for the gorgeous art pour that we have. So now we're going to be mixing a couple of our art pigments that you see right now. We're doing our RTS paint. Look how easy that tinted. Now here's the pigment. This is our Stuck in the 80s orange. And here's our metal flake. Oh, gorgeous. The camera does not capture the beauty of this color. Now here we're mixing another batch up. We're going to start incorporating a little bit more of clear resin. So if you notice here we have a couple colors. We have our Art Deco RTS, our Aquaman. Look how simple that Art Deco mixes. Here we have our gold metal flake. This is our lowrider. And we have Stuck in the 80s yellow. These are gorgeous flip-flop side tone pigments. Now don't worry about the texture at this point because it's so early in the project. Right now you have so much of a window to continue to work with the resin. You just want to make sure your patterns are exactly to how you like if you're looking for a more consistent or more organic flow.
Tell me if that doesn't look amazing. And that's with all our products. Our art pigments, our dry pigments, our RTS paints that can be completely dissolved into resin, our flakes, and so much more. Everything you saw is available on our website except the resin. We don't sell the resin. We sell everything else, but everything's on our website, www.tropicalglitz.net. If you love what you saw, do me a favor, comment, follow, like, subscribe, do whatever you gotta do, but stay tuned. We have so much more. And don't forget our other platforms. We're on TikTok, we're on Instagram, we're on Facebook. We have so much more coming out. And on our website, wait till you see our online blog and our digital magazine highlighting all these steps and the contents that we do and all the products to make this stuff happen. So if you love everything we do, just give us a follow. Take care.